And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked and we saw him step in on the map. We looked and we saw him. The Cat in the Hat. Why do you sit there like that? Well, hello, McBride students. It is great to see you guys today. I am the Cat in the Hat. That's right, guys. I am from the wonderful Dr. Seuss book of The Cat in the Hat, and I am here as your guest today. Hey, and I would like to play a little game with you called Up, Up, Up with a Spider. So here we go. It'll be a lot of fun. Here we go. And this spider's going up, just like so. I've got a foam roller and dice that would like to come as well. Here we go. If you've got any objects around to balance, join in on the fun. And let's add some more, because we're not quite done. And how good is this? Don't worry, guys. This cat is okay. I promise. I do have one more game to play. That's right. This game is called Fun in a Box. And great job with Up, Up, Up with a Spider. But we are on to the box. And let's take a look at what's inside. What? Thing one! Ah! All right, guys, your joke of the day. What do cats like to eat on a hot day? A mice cream cone. And why do cats always get their way? They're very persuasive. And how do cats end a fight? They hiss and make up. And last one. What's a cat's favorite magazine? Good Mousekeeping. All right. Okay, guys, since we are in our throwing and catching unit, our sports trivia is going to be related to throwing and catching. Okay. First question. In the NFL, who is the all-time leader in pass completions? That's the quarterback throwing it to the receivers. And the correct answer is Drew Brees of the New Orleans Saints. He has thrown 7,142 completions. Okay? And then let's talk about catches. Okay? The all-time leader in catches in the NFL. Okay. Correct answer is Jerry Rice, mostly of the San Francisco 49ers, where he spent most of his career, and that is 1,549 catches. That's a lot of catches, guys. All right, your warm-up for the day. Here we go. Reach for the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And reach for the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs wide. And reach to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And forward, backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And squats. Here we go. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and all right, guys, welcome back. Remember, we are doing our throwing and catching unit. So what you will need is any softer balls that you have around, or rolled up pairs of socks will work great. For this first portion, I'm just going to use some tennis balls, but whatever you have is excellent, all right? We're just going to get kind of warmed up here, okay? So real quick, get our hands and our eyes ready, and we are just going to start with a little up in the air and catch two hands. Do it with me. We're going to be switching very rapidly to different tossing and catching drills. And now we're going right hand and catching in our right only. Whatever you're using, ball, sock, that's fine, okay? Doing a nice job. Just getting ourselves ready today. And switch to left hand toss, and left hand catch, okay? Very good. Excellent. Now we're going right hand up, and we're going to try to catch it down here below our waist, okay? Even harder if you aim for below the knee, okay? So we're going up above the head, and we're catching it way down here. Following that thing with your eyes at all times. Good. We're going left hand up and down nice and low before you make the catch. Ooh. Good. And we're going from right to left. Whew. Throw that thing in a rainbow shape over your head and into that opposite hand. Good job. And we're going up in the air, we're clapping three. 3 times. Might be hard if you're at home. Ceilings aren't as high. Might have to clap faster and throw it not quite as high. Excellent job. On to the next one. All right, guys. These are reviews from the prior lesson, okay? But if for some reason you missed them and didn't get to them, okay, we're just going to do a few of them here. That way we can catch anybody who missed these fun little drills right here, okay? So, first one, we are going to throw it up in the air. We are going to touch the floor with both hands, and we're going to try to make the catch. Here we go. Let's do 5 of them, okay? Here we go. And ball up. Oh, not even close, way over my head. Okay, I got to do a better job of throwing it straight up. Okay, I threw it up, but it went backwards, okay? And when you touch the floor, your eyes go away from the ball, so you lose it. So you got to go away from it and then come back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I'm still throwing it back. 4. There we go. Oh, back. That was 5. I got to end on a catch though. Here we go. Woo. I got to do a better job. Okay. Error on throwing out in front of you. Okay. This one here, we are going to throw it up, and we're going to spin around and make the catch. This one, important to have it come back to this area as well. Here we go. Ready? Didn't even get around. I got to do a better job. We're doing 5. Here we go. 1. There we go. 2. 3. 4. 5. All right, those are fun ones in case you missed them last time. Figured we'd do a few again. Good job. All right, guys, just reviewing a little bit of throwing. Of course, we talked about it a little bit last time as well. But right-handed throwers, you are stepping with your left leg, very important, okay? Stepping, right arm comes back. You come through and release. Lefties, you are stepping, right leg, left arm's back, comes through, and you release, okay? And whenever you start throwing, you want to start nice and easy, and you want to gradually pick up the speed of what you're throwing, okay? Good for that arm to get nice and loose, okay? So what we're going to do right now is just get our arms loose. I'm going to throw against the wall, okay? Sorry, I had a low battery there. I'm going to throw against the wall, and you guys, if you have a nice soft ball or socks, obviously it's probably okay if you do that, but obviously don't throw at any wall where you could damage anything or do any harm, okay? So we're just going to get those arms loose. If you're using socks, of course, you're not going to harm anything, so that's perfect, okay? I am getting to catch the ball as well as it comes back to me, okay? If you're using socks, you'll just have to retrieve them, but if you're using a ball that bounces, work on that catch as it comes back. Here we go. Get those arms loose. Start nice and easy. Remember, when you're making a catch, you catch with your eyes, guys, not with your hands. You're saying, that doesn't sound right. Okay? Obviously, use both. Use your hands to make a catch, but your eyes being on the ball is just as important, okay? Look it all the way in. That arm nice and loose. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that arm should be nice and loose and ready for our next accuracy drill. All right, guys, our accuracy throwing drill for the day. All you need to do is use a chair, stool, something like that, to just elevate, or a bucket to elevate your target, okay? Mine is a milk jug, okay? That's a really good size. If you, all you can find is something smaller, water bottle, Gatorade bottle, that's fine too, or a plastic cup, okay? But mine's a little bit bigger, okay? But I'm also going to be throwing from, a decent distance here, so probably 20 feet or so. So you guys, whatever you have space for, set up a target, one target, okay? And we are going to overhand throw and try to knock that target off of the chair, the stool, or garbage can, okay? And we'll see how we do, okay? We'll get in a couple warm-up throws, and then you guys can race against me, okay? So here we go. If you're using socks, of course, this works just fine, okay? A sock will knock off, especially a smaller object, okay? Probably would knock this off as well. So here we go. Couple warm-ups. And, just missed. I've got a few balls here that I can grab from. Got it, guys. Got it. Second attempt. All right. Okay, so now you've seen what we got going on there. So, if you have multiple socks, multiple softballs to use, great. If not, you're just going to have to work a little bit harder, okay? But in here, the things scatter a long ways because I'm in a large space, so having multiple balls is extra helpful, okay? So here's what we're going to do. You guys are going to race me to 5 hits, okay? Like we have done before, okay? When I say go, I'm going to start throwing. You're going to start throwing. Beat me to 5 hits on your object. Here we go. Ready? Of course, you got to set it up if you knock it down. Okay? You got to hustle up there. Ready, set, and go. Save the ball together. Woo. Ooh, missed. Ah, missed. Got it. That's 2. Missed. Missed. 4. Need one more, guys. Here we go. Ah! I'm coming. Oh, I'm not counting that one. That one hit the wall. Hopefully you're still going. Hit the wall and came off. There it is, number 5. Nice job, guys. Hopefully you beat me. If not, that's all right. Okay, good work with the throwing accuracy. And you can certainly keep going with that one a little bit today. Okay, I am going to put up the 5-minute timer, and you are free to continue with your throwing accuracy. Okay, maybe you want to compete against somebody at home, have races to 5, time each other, see how fast you can get there. Okay, always lots of options to turn these into fun games with anybody that you have available to you at home. Okay. So again, 5-minute timer's going up. And if you have other ball drills or the ones that we did at the beginning to do, okay, just doing some tossing and catching for the next 5 minutes, all of it will be very helpful, okay? With throwing and catching, guys, it's just all about repetitions, okay? You want to be a better thrower, a better catcher. It's just about putting in the time and doing it, okay? You will improve, I promise, okay? So 5-minute timer's going up, and thank you guys. Keep working hard and work till the end. Thank you guys so much for joining the Cat in the Hat today. It was a ton of fun. I'm so glad that you were here, and we will see you next time.